In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant is stuck on the loading screen. The first thing we want to try is manually close down everything. So go to Task Manager, search for details, click on name, press V and look for Valorant. You don't have to close down Vanguard, but if you have Valorant, you want to click and then task. Then press R and look for Riot Client. If you have it, in the task. Now once you've done that, what we want to do is you want to find Valorant. You can either search for it or just find it here. Right click on it, open file location, head over to Riot Games, open up Valorant, live. In here you should have some manifest files. What you want to do is you want to delete these files, and don't worry, it's going to regenerate. So delete these two files and then try and launch Valorant and see if it works. Now if it's still not working, come back to Riot Games, delete the Valorant folder, and like I said before, it's going to regenerate, so don't worry. Delete this folder, and then what you want to do is you want to search for percentage, local app data percentage, and in here you should also have a Valorant folder that you also want to delete. So once you've deleted both of these folders, you want to right click the recycle bin and empty recycle bin. Then you want to try and launch Valorant again and see if it works. Now if for some reason it's still not working after all of this, what you just want to do is you want to find your launcher, right click, properties, compatibility, then try and activate these two, apply OK and see if that works. Now keep in mind when you delete the Valorant folder, it's going to give you a big update for your Valorant, so just remember to take that one. After this it should hopefully work. If for some reason it's still not working, you can just reinstall Valorant and try and uninstall it back. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.